The baby BTE or ActiveWear configuration of the OPUS 2 is a special wearing option for infants and young children, as well as for users who participate in high-energy activities where a very secure placement is desired. In this configuration, the entire processor is placed on the clothing, and only the coil is placed on the head. To assemble the baby BTE, open the OPUS 2 battery pack lock, pull out the connecting piece, and detach the battery pack from the control unit. Exchange the ear hook with the microphone cover by removing the fixation pin with the supplied tool and pulling off the ear hook by gently pushing it downwards. Replace the standard coil cable with the 28cm coil cable. Attach the microphone cover to the control unit. Screw on the fixation bar to the straight battery pack. Connect the straight battery pack to the control unit. Insert the pins of the connecting piece for safety lock into the small holes at the bottom of the audio processor. Secure the assembly by attaching the safety lock. Lock it by sliding the lever sideways with a pointed object. To insert batteries, open the battery pack lid by pushing the lever at the back to the side and hold it in this position. Now push the lid backwards about 3 mm and remove it. Add fresh batteries. To close the lid, put it on the housing so that it overhangs the back of the battery pack by about 3 mm. Gently push the lid onto the housing. It can now be pushed forward and snaps into place easily. Switch on the audio processor at the back.